Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. Today we're going to be looking at some Aimeili Gel Polish. As you guys may or may not know, I am a super fan of the Aimeili No Wipe Top Coat and the base coat. I think they're fantastical. I love them so much. They do such a great job. So I was like, well, let me try their gel polish and see what happens. And as usual, people, I have no idea what I ordered. So I know there's black in here because that's what I needed. I needed black, and there's probably a white because I kind of need some white too. But I mean, let's just open it up and see what happens. I know I got 6 bottles, and I'll put the price up in the corner somewhere because I'm not really sure how much I paid. I want to say it was like 15 euros maybe for 6 bottles of polish. So I don't know. Could be more, could be less, but I do not, I don't like to spend a lot of money on my nail stuff. As you guys may or may not know, I'm a little bit cheap when it comes to this. It depends on what it is, I guess. I do love my maniology stuff, y'all. Y'all know that. I usually get that stuff on sale too. Oh, hey, okay. All right, this doesn't often happen. Like in some gel polishes, you just never know what color you're gonna get. But it looks like I went with some black, white, looks like a nude color. And is this a gray? And then we've got a red, glitter and red. So yay. And as you know, this is not gonna be the true colors. So let's go ahead and get some stuff and we'll start swatching these guys. For my gel polish swatches, I only do 2 coats and then I do an older top coat. So I don't really care about them too much, as long as I can see the true color of them. I think I'm gonna start, I need to go in order because I don't think I'm gonna like this color. Why buy 6 and then not like one? I don't know. And then I'll go the gray, and then I'll do the reds, and then I'll do the black and the white because that's what I really needed. So let's do this color first. Let's see. Oh, that's a gray. That's a light gray. I totally thought it was like a nudie beige. How funny. That's not even close to what that color is. That's okay. Ooh, this is thick, y'all. I also do my swatches on these little doodads so that I can, let me show you real quick. So once I get done, I can slide them over the top and then they sit in my collection. And I can easily see them. Oof. Sorry, I had to get my lamp ready. All right, this is a very thick polish. Ooh, yeah, it's very thick. I wonder what that means about coverage. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the rain outside. I'm positioned right underneath the window, so if you can hear it, enjoy it, because I am. Goodness gracious, at least it's not snowing. It's been snowing quite a bit here in Germany. All right, ooh, look, okay, so first thing I notice is that it levels just as well as the gel polish does, the top coat. I love that about the Aimeili stuff. It's so good at self-leveling and going where you want it to go. So if I turn this over, and when you turn your nails upside over, it helps you build your apex a little bit better when you do this stuff. Oh, very, very nice. Okay, we'll put that one in there and get it ready to nuke. Okay, on to the next color. I'm gonna pick this one. I believe it's a dark gray, and yes, I'm right. Ooh, I think this might be my next pedicure color, y'all. It's not as dark as I thought it was, but I do love a good gray background. You can do some really awesome stamping on gray nails. So pretty. Not as opaque as I thought it was on one coat, but once again, super great and wonderful at self-leveling. Gotta love that. Okay, we'll nuke that one now. All right, I thought I would try this red next. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, that is a fire engine red. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm absolutely in love. This is such an excellent red, and I don't think I have a red like this. Wowee. You guys, this stuff goes on like butter. It's just like butter. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is just so pretty. Like straight up, super pretty. Wow, and look how well it levels, just unbelievable. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that one to cure. Our next color is the red glitter. Oh, hello. Hi. Oh my gosh, you guys, Valentine's Day is here, and this is going to be on my Valentine's Day nails for sure. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. That red also did it in one coat. I am going back and I'm putting a second coat, just so you guys know, on all those. So when I get done, the magic of camera work, you'll have 2 coats on all of these. But this one is, dadgummit, I hope that was focused, but whatever. This color is just so pretty. I just can't believe how quickly it levels. Okay, let's go ahead and put that one in the nuker. The next color we're going to shoot for is the white. I want to save the best for last, the black, because that's really what I bought the whole set for. So, okay, it's a very bright white. I like it so far. It is, the polish on many of them is very thick. Let's see if we can get this to coat in one. So far, the light gray took only 1 coat. The dark gray needed 2 coats. The red was 1 coat. The glitter was 1 coat too. Looks like their white probably is going to need 2 coats. So yeah, it's not a one coat kind of deal. Focus. Gosh, maybe it's my lighting. Okay. Yeah, it's streaky for sure. That's okay. I always do 2 coats anyway, so that's okay. That's okay. And this one didn't level quite as well, or maybe it's leveling fine, but I just see the streaks, so it's bothering me. No, it's definitely not leveling as well. That's okay. That's okay. We'll see what it does after 2 coats. Let's put it in the light. And finally, let's shoot for the black. Let's see how good it is. Man, this black better be good. Lately I've been trying my black polish and it's just not curing well, so I don't know if I just got a bad one or what. Okay, it's super thick, you guys, super thick. And it looks like this one is pretty good. Probably gonna show, probably gonna be good after just 1 coat. That's pretty good. Ugh, really, honestly, it levels so fast and it's self-leveling. It's just amazing. I got a little something on there, but that's okay. We'll put another coat on it no matter what. Okay, let's bake this one for 60 seconds. I did want to show you guys when I put on the second coat of white. So we can see some streaks in the white. They're not coming off as much on camera as they actually are, but there are definitely streaks in it. So I wanted to show you the second coat on this one because the other ones were pretty evident. And most of them did a 1 coat. The dark gray didn't do 1 coat, but very quickly with the second coat, it worked beautifully. As you guys know, white is a tricky one. White and black are tricky. It doesn't, it's still got streaks in it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I think I just did all that off camera. Still got some streaks in it, and it's not as forgiving. It's not as leveling as the other ones are. It's super thick, like super thick, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it upside down, and then I'll put it in the light after that. And what I normally do is if there's flaws after the second coat, then I leave those on there so that you can see, hey, maybe this isn't the one I want to choose. So once I hold it here like this for a couple seconds, then I'm going to go ahead and put it in the light. Here is what the set looks like after 2 coats. I have not put a top coat on it yet, but I did want to show you guys that it is full coverage. For sure. This one wasn't full coverage after the first coat, but it definitely is after the second. This red only took 1 coat, y'all. 1 coat. It's so pretty. Man, I'm so sorry. That's shaky, shaky, shaky. And then the glitter is just out of this world gorge. Also, I wanted to let you guys know they're not sticky, they're not tacky, but they do feel like there's some resistance when you touch them. That one feels like it's just not cured yet, and it's not. Let's go ahead and put that one in again, but I'm not super happy with their white. That's for sure. Like, I don't know if that's picking up or not, but oh, there it is a little bit. You can kind of see it didn't level right. It's not like it's streaky. We'll throw that back in there in the light and see what happens. And then the black looks fantastic. And this is what I bought it for anyway, so whoops, I got a little hair or something in there, but we'll go ahead and top coat all of these, and then I'll let you see what they look like after that. Forgot to mention, I am going to use an older Aimeili top coat for this. It says glitter only because there might be a few glitter flakes. Usually I know if I just see a few little glitter flakes in there that it's actually not a glitter polish. Maybe not the best thing to do, but it is what I do, peeps. Okay, here is the 6 polish set that I bought. It's for a very reasonable price. There are 6 of the polishes. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. The only one that I have drama with is the white one, and you can maybe see, so the top coat looks completely shiny and glossy and beautiful, and that's because Aimeili's top coat is, you guys, it's out of this world. Even when it's old, it's out of this world good. But you might be able to see some of the streaks that are still in there, and that's just from the white polish. So I wasn't super thrilled with their white, but the black is fantastical. Really, really nice. The glitter is beautiful. This red is ka-chow. The grays are really nice too. The finish on all of them is super wonderful and awesome. Really, really, with the top coat, like, I just love their top coat. I just can't say enough good things about it. And so for a very affordable price too, I think. Anyway, so here's the whole set. I got it from Amazon. I will provide the link, if I remember to do that, I'll provide the link in the description. And you guys, if you like to watch nail stuff, subscribe to my channel. That could be really amazeballs. If you want, you could follow me on Instagram at Groove Mama. And people, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!